Hello students, welcome to this video lesson in ICT for Grade 8 series. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the structure of a database. Let us start by looking at the contents of this lesson. In this video, we are going to learn about what data is, what a database is, structure of a database table, types of databases, disadvantages of manual databases, advantages of computerized databases. We will have a quick test and finally a recap. Let us start with the definition of data. Data are facts that can be related to any object or a person. Examples of data are name, age, and height of a person. It can be a picture or a file. We will now learn what a database is. A database is a collection of data. For example, student details and car details. Therefore, a database is an organized collection of data. The data is stored in one or more tables. Let us take the example of student details. Data collected about students are stored randomly. In this example, we do not have a clear indication whether Jill is the name or the surname of the student. After the data is being processed, the data is now in the form of a table with clear indication from the header what each individual data represents. It is also good to note that all surnames are found in the same column and the data is read horizontally. Let us now look at the structure of a table in a database. A table consists of rows and columns. Each row is called a record and each column is called a field. So in this table, we can observe that there are 5 fields. A field is a heading which regroups similar data. There are 6 records in the table. A record is a collection of related data. This means the student S01 has surname Carter, name Jill, age 12, and is in class grade 8A. Among all the fields, there is a special one called a key field. A key field is a field that uniquely identifies a record. It is also called a primary key. In a key field, data cannot be repeated. Therefore, S01 cannot be found more than once. After having studied the basic structure of a database, let us see the types of databases. There are 2 types of databases: manual database and computerized database. A manual database consists of paper records stored in filing cabinets. A computerized database consists of electronic files. Examples of database software are Microsoft Access, Microsoft Excel, and MySQL. We will now move to disadvantages of manual databases. Data are stored in filing cabinets which take up a lot of space. Data can be destroyed by natural disasters like flood and fire. It is time-consuming to search for data. It is very difficult for more than one person to use it at the same time. Advantages of computerized databases. A large amount of data can be stored in a small space. Searching for data is very fast. Data can be modified without difficulty. Backup can be done easily. And finally, data can be sorted effortlessly. Now, let us have a quick test to evaluate what you have learned today. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct answer. Question 1. An example of a database software is Windows Media Player, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Access. The answer is Microsoft Access. Question 2. A database contains one or more tables, documents, videos. The answer is tables. A database contains one or more tables. Question 3. A is a group of related data in a table. Field, record, database. The answer is record. A record is a group of related data in a table. Question 4. More than one person can work on a manual database at the same time. True or false? The answer is false. Only one person can work on a manual database at a time. Question 5. Data in a computerized database is stored in filing cabinets. True or false? The answer is false. Data in a computerized database is stored electronically on a storage device like a hard disk. Question 6. In a computerized database, data can be modified very easily. True or false? The answer is true. Data can be updated at any time. So that was the last question. I am sure you got all the correct answers. It's time now to have a recap of what we learned today. Let's go for the recap. A database is a collection of data organized in a specific way. For example, a table. There are two types of databases: manual databases, computerized databases. A database table consists of rows called records and columns called fields. A key field uniquely identifies a record. Two records cannot have the same key field. Another name for key field is primary key. Some of the advantages of computerized databases are: a huge amount of data can be stored in a small space. Searching for data is very fast. Data can be modified without difficulty. Backup can be done easily. Data can be sorted effortlessly. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So it's goodbye from me and see you soon.